Hi, I'm Alex, and in this short training video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can potentially make money using Groovefunnels. Now, Groovefunnels is a free suite of software which you can get access to just by signing up using any of the buttons on this page, and I personally believe that Groovefunnels is the best deal of 2020. So I highly recommend clicking on one of the buttons. It should open in a new tab and signing up for an account. And I'm just going to show you how to do that quickly, and then we'll jump right into how to make money using Groovefunnels. Let's take a look. All right, so I should mention that the links in the buttons on this page are affiliate links for Groovefunnels. So if you use them and then you eventually make a purchase, I will be compensated for that. But you don't need to make a purchase. You don't even need to give it any payment information. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, and you'll have access to all the software that I'm going to show you right now. So you can click on any of the buttons on this page, or you can go to lovefightright.com/groovefunnels. Love Fight Right is all one word, and Groovefunnels is all one word. So that's lovefightright.com/groovefunnels, or click on any of the buttons on this page, and you'll be taken to this landing page, or one that looks very much like it. And then you can either just click on this button or scroll down manually, and it'll take you down to the bottom of the page where there's a sign up form, and you just need to put in your name, email, a username, and a password, and then you can get your free access like the button says. And under refer, it should say Alex Tucker. That's me. Anyways, once you sign up and you confirm your email address and everything and get your access, you'll be signed into a dashboard that looks something like this. Now, yours might look a little bit different because it might be updated by the time you're watching this video, or it might look a little bit different if you're on a free account, because I'm on a premium account. But it'll look something like this, and this is where we can work from. And this is where we're going to start looking at the 3 different ways that we can make money with Groovefunnels. So the first way that you can make money with Groovefunnels is using GroovePages exclusively. So if I click on GroovePages under Groovefunnels over here on the left, it'll take me to GroovePages, which is the website/funnel builder. And here I can, since I'm a premium member, I can make as many websites as I want. So you can see I've got a few test ones here that I just kind of messed around with. And then I've got a few real ones here that I'm working on. This is the only one that's actually live. But these ones are going to go live soon, hopefully. And anyways, so basically it's really easy. You can just create a new site like this, and you can either start from scratch with a blank template, or you can use one of the templates provided. And I'm just going to cancel that and then open this. This is basically a fresh template that I haven't done much with other than add my picture and, or no, actually I threw this together from blocks. There's also pre-made blocks and wireframes and elements that you can drag and drop to make stuff. And so this is the first way that you can make money with Groovefunnels, is you can actually build landing pages or other types of pages, sales pages, thank you pages, what have you, for other people and sell them, because it's really easy to transfer. You can literally just click on this button right here, and you get access to all the code, and you can give that to someone else who has a Groovefunnels account, and then they'll be able to basically just import the entire page. And there's a lot of people in the Groovefunnels Facebook group, which you'll get access to with your free account. And a lot of people on like Fiverr and Upwork, there's starting to be quite a few jobs related to Groovefunnels, specifically building pages in GroovePages. So you don't even really need to be like a web designer in order to do that. If you have a good eye for design, if you like looking at layouts and making things that are appealing, you could get work designing landing pages and sales pages in GroovePages. And another way that you could potentially make money is writing copy for pages like those for people in the Groovefunnels group, or on Fiverr or on Upwork, places like that. So that one doesn't apply to me as much because I'm not a very good web designer. As you can see, this is my landing page, and it's not super amazing, but it's serviceable. But anyways, that's just sort of method number one. Now, method number two is you can sell digital products, or you can sell services using a combination of GroovePages and GrooveCell. So we'll just take a quick look at GrooveCell. So this is just kind of, I haven't sold anything with it, so it just looks empty, but this is sort of like your dashboard. And then if I go to funnels, that's like my product funnels. And then these are the products that I have inside of it. I have a test product, and then I have a $1,500 service package, which is actually something that I'm going to be selling to a client. So I have to work on this a little bit more and complete it and everything and connect my payment gateway. But basically, GrooveCell is a fully serviceable payment gateway / shopping cart software. And you can connect PayPal to it, you can connect Stripe to it, and then you can create like a sales page with GroovePages, and you can integrate it together, and then you can sell services or products that way online. And that would be the second method that you can use to make money with GrooveFunnels. And the third one is you can actually make money via affiliate marketing by promoting GrooveFunnels itself, or by promoting other offers that are available within the Groove affiliate marketplace. So if I want to promote GrooveFunnels itself, then I can click on Groove affiliate program up here, and you can see there's actually a big launch contest coming up in October. So this is a great time to join GrooveFunnels and become an affiliate. But then I would just come down here and I would click on links, and this is where I can get my affiliate links. This is where I did get my affiliate link, and you can just share that link, find a way to shorten it with a service like Bitly, and then you can share it with your friends. You can share it with anyone you know who you think might want a free online marketing and business software. And if they ever make a purchase after signing up through your link, then you should get credited for it, and you'll get a pretty nice commission. But you don't even necessarily have to promote GrooveFunnels. There's other affiliate products and services available within Groove Affiliate. So if I just click on Groove Affiliate over here, it's going to take me in here, and then I click on Marketplace, and this takes me to the Groove Affiliate Marketplace. And you can see there's all these different some of them are programs, some of them are products that you can affiliate represent. And there's actually this one, GrooveStar Ascend, is a affiliate program that's geared around promoting GrooveFunnels. And I've actually signed up as an affiliate for this program, so I have access to the promo tools now. And Angie Norris is the creator of that, and she's a very talented marketer. So I'm looking forward to promoting that program a little bit. And then, so you can see there's actually just a ton of different things available in here already, with different price points, different amounts of visitors and sales. And you can basically, once you're signed up as a GrooveFunnels member and you have an account on here, regardless of whether it's a free account or a premium account, you can promote any of these products potentially. I believe that some of them you can automatically get approved for, and others you may have to go through like an application process to become an affiliate. But it's generally not that hard, and there's no application process if you want to promote GrooveFunnels itself as an affiliate. You just need to sign up for a free account, and you will have the access to become one. So anyways, those are your 3 ways to make money with GrooveFunnels. You can either create pages with GroovePages and sell them as a service. You can use GrooveCell to create products and sell either digital products or services online. And you can use Groove Affiliate to affiliate market GrooveFunnels itself, or other affiliate programs that are associated with Groovefunnels, or other affiliate products that are not associated with Groovefunnels. You can just make landing pages and bridge pages and thank you pages and send people off to whatever affiliate offer you want. So it's really a powerful and flexible program. I do recommend that you go to lovefightright.com/Groovefunnels or click on one of the buttons on this page. And again, you'll end up at a landing page that looks like this. And you just need to come down to this form and sign up, and you'll have your free access for lifetime. There's no limit to this. It's not a trial or anything like that. It's absolutely free access to a really powerful marketing and business software. So I hope you sign up. Hope you use my link. I appreciate it if you do. And feel free to get in touch with me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.